Meet the Caterpillar 6215B, a machine that defines heavy excavation, mining and material handling at scale, built for massive workloads. This is not just another excavator. It's a purpose-designed, machine-engineered to move tons of material, more efficiently than smaller competitors, deliver better production, and keep uptime high on demanding job sites. Peterson Cat. What is the Caterpillar 6215B? The Caterpillar 6215B is a large hydraulic excavator, mining shovel designed primarily for high production, digging and loading applications in mining, quarry, and large civil earthworks. It combines immense capacity with durable Caterpillar engineering, making it a top choice for heavy construction and mining contractors around the world. Peterson Cat. Core specifications. Below are the key specifications that make the 6215B a serious workhorse. Engine and power. Engine model. Cat R C27 Acert TM diesel. Gross power 813 HP. 606 kV. Reliable high-output power for demanding round-the-clock operation. Peterson Cat. Operating weight. 53 tonnes, 154 tons. A massive structure built for stability and productivity. Peterson Cat. Bucket and capacity. Standard bucket capacity 8.1 PD. Perit. Dan 6 WD3. Capable of lifting huge amounts of material per pass. Equipment ready for use. Bucket payload. 16 tons. 146T. Excellent. Payload for heavy loads and fast cycle times. Milton Cat. Dimensions in travel. Travel speed. 3.3 km/h. 2.1 mph speed. Powerful travel for repositioning on site. Equipment ready for use. Track configuration. 46 shoes per side with hydraulic. Tensioning, strong traction, and stability on varied terrain. Equipment ready for use. Hydraulics and fuel. Fuel tank. DC 49 pound, 0.9 gallons. 700L. Long working hours between refills. Equipment ready for use. Hydraulic oil plus tanks. 42 gallons total hydraulic system. Capacity. Beefy hydraulics for powerful digging and swing cycles. Equipment ready for use. Operator comfort and controls. Spacious operator cab, ergonomic controls, multifunction display, and adjustable armrests help reduce fatigue and improve productivity on long shifts. Peterson Cat. These specifications make the Cat